To deposit an e-check, start by understanding what an e-check is. An e-check is an electronic version of a traditional paper check, allowing you to make payments online. The process of depositing an e-check is similar to depositing a traditional check, but it is done electronically. First, you need to have a checking account with a bank that supports e-check deposits. Most banks offer this service, so it is likely that your bank does. You will also need to have the e-check information, including the check number, routing number, and account number. To initiate the deposit, log into your online banking account and navigate to the deposit section. Select the option to deposit an e-check and enter the required information, including the check number, routing number, and account number. You will also need to specify the amount of the deposit. Once you have entered the information, review it carefully to ensure it is accurate. Submit the deposit request and wait for the bank to process it. This may take a few days, depending on the bank's policies. It is essential to note that e-check deposits are subject to the same rules and regulations as traditional check deposits. This means that the bank may place a hold on the funds until the check clears. You can check the status of the deposit by logging in to your online banking account. To avoid any issues with e-check deposits, make sure to verify the information carefully before submitting the deposit request. Also, ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the deposit amount. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with e-check deposits, as some banks may charge a fee for this service. In summary, depositing an e-check is a straightforward process that can be done online. By following these steps and being aware of the key concepts and best practices, you can safely and efficiently deposit an e-check into your checking account. Always review the information carefully and be aware of any fees or holds that may be placed on the funds.